Welcome to Crypto News, the fastest and most important cryptocurrency news. Subscribe and get likes, it's very important for my promotion, please. And now let's talk about the news. Binance crypto analyst tells why Bitcoin fell and what Bitcoin forecast give members of the cryptocurrency community. Amid a decline in the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin began Friday with a fall in a few hours. The Bitcoin exchange rate fell more than 6% to levels last seen on February 14, February 2023, and then went into correction. Following Bitcoin, many other coins also showed negative dynamics. The collapse of the cryptocurrency, as of writing the review continues, Bitcoin has fallen amid an extremely negative news background. Let's take a look at the moments that may have contributed to the deterioration. Investor sentiment. Large crypto bank Silvergate Bank may declare bankruptcy. Such rumors have been floating around the network. Against a backdrop of a delay in the publication of the annual company's report, many market participants reacted to the news by severing ties with Silvergate Bank, including from the services of bank abandoned. Many other market participants, in turn, have hastened to disavow any connection with the crypto bank. Many market participants believe that the collapse many will put pressure on the market digital assets, e.g. analyst Adam Kakaran believes that the demise of the bank will set off a death spiral whose victims likely to be other members of the crypto industry. In his opinion, market does not realize how much cryptobusines depends on the Silvergate, and there's also a perception that the bank's demise will not no serious pressure on the market. For example, this viewpoint is held by popular cryptocurrency investor and businessman Samson Moo. Continues pressure on the largest cryptocurrency exchange Binance. On March 2, the media reported information that a group of U.S. senators requested the trading platform's representatives' financial statements. The regulators are interested in whether Binance uses illegal business practices. The cryptocurrency is in the crosshairs of U.S. regulatory authorities since 2018. In late 2022, early 2023, Binance faced another wave of pressure amid the collapse of one of its competitor FTX. Recall earlier, Binance Crypto's editorial staff looked into is Bitcoin possible collapse and what will happen to the market if you stop. The stock market continues to fall in anticipation of a further failure of the Fed's key rate amid the regulator with inflation. The S&P 500 has broken through green line support and once again headed for the boundaries of the descending channel red line, in the body of which the index moved from the beginning of 2022 to the end of January. The index has been moving in the body of the channel from the beginning of 2022 to the end of January 2023. Late February, participants of the cryptocurrency community, for the first time since the FTX crash, recorded split of Bitcoin with the stock index S&P 500 stock index, behind which is the history of observation. Bitcoin actively repeats most of the time. Regulators' activity also reinforces the negative news backdrop over the crypto industry is threatened by of the US recognizing all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin as illegal issued securities. There is a clear trend of increased regulatory oversight of the crypto industry around the world. For example, in early March, it was reported online information that British banks began to restrict the ability to buy cryptocurrencies for their customers. The situation exacerbates the situation of Bitcoins by miners. Many members of the crypto community are confident that Bitcoin's fall will not change the overall positive market sentiment. For example, cryptocurrency analyst believes that Bitcoin repeats the patterns of past years, which means that the coin is expected to rise in the future. Analyst Michaelmas also sees the potential cryptocurrency recovery, and his Bitcoin forecast implies recovery to local highs in mid-March, but there is a negative opinion, such as Bitcoin forecast from popular in the cryptocurrency community blogger Profitelu does not exclude a further Bitcoin decline at this point. Goodbye. Subscribe to our channel, click on the bell, and be sure to write a comment below the video.